In this video, we will learn how to add Bismillah in Microsoft Word. Like I have already added Bismillah in this Microsoft Word Office. So let's start. Okay, I'm going to delete this. There are two ways to add Bismillah in Microsoft Word. One is from code. Code for this one is FDFD. When you are putting Bismillah in Microsoft Word using this code, there is some issue that is Bismillah is completely not displayed. Like if you write FD and select it and then press Control X, sometime only this is displayed. So what you have to do now is you have to go to insert option. After insert option, you have to go to the symbol and symbol in more symbol. In more symbols, you have to select this option, but its font should be normal text and its subset will be Arabic presentation form A. Here, this will be replaced, displayed. Okay, just click it and press insert. When you press insert, you will see that this complete Bismillah will be displayed and you can use it in your Microsoft Word document. Here you can see that you can change its color. Like I can its color change. There is option to change its different colors, and you can also change its background color from this side. You can see that this is the red and all of the different contrast colors are available. And if you want to change its size, just minimize and maximize. Both options are there. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more videos.